All right, here we go. Yo. It's your boy here with Y.B.Normal. Listen, guys, I got some special friends that I really want y'all to meet. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. So respect is a two-way street. You give it and you what? What does it say? You give it and you what? Come on. You give it and you what? Come on. I need them to hear you out there on the street. You give it in. You give it in. You give it in.
The words I would use to describe Y.B.Normal would be enlightening, encouraging, and definitely eye-opening. Some things that what I do in my classroom that is really more. I would encourage it as a great way to start difficult conversations.
I feel like they can start asking us how our day was and asking us how we're feeling today, and then maybe do that, repeating that, and then maybe we can start trusting them more and thinking about it, and maybe we would all have a better life and a better education.
All right, so they need to start asking you how you feel and meaning it. All right, and then that will help you start building a little bit of trust with them. There were times where I was homeless and I was sleeping in the back seat of a car because I had to take care of myself. Right? So I understand, these are some of the challenges that y'all go through day in and day out. And so I think it's important for you to be able to communicate. Because you know how a lot of things get misconstrued is by miscommunication. So repeat after me. I am phenomenal. I love you, cuz. I am phenomenal. Come on, say it like you mean it. I am phenomenal. I am amazing. 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 Please have a seat. Thank you.